spray some setting spray on my face to make the base very tacky so the foundation will stick onto it. And then color correcting my face with a green color corrector. I'm applying it on my acne. And then using this concealer by Anastasia, it's a very full coverage concealer. I'm gonna hide my dark circles and discoloration around my mouth and cheek. Blending it all out with a beauty blender. You can of course use a brush for fuller coverage. Also remember to use a concealer which is exactly your skin tone when you are concealing. Foundation, I'm using Superstay by Maybelline. It's a very long lasting foundation, which is what we need for this look. For my second concealer, I'm using Tarte Shape Tape. This is full coverage. If you like a very light base, please skip this step. I like a very heavy makeup look, which is why I'm using a lot of concealer. Then to highlight my under eyes, I'm going to use Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in the number 150. Set my under eyes with this Maybelline Fit Me Loose finishing powder. I'm only setting the under eyes and my eyelids, and I'm also gonna bake with this same powder. And then for bronzer, I'm using Physicians Formula's Butter Bronzer. Because we didn't set the rest of the face, the bronzer will stick onto the foundation, which will make it last even longer. For our favorite part, the eyeshadow, I'm using this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette using a transition shade all over my crease. And then I'm using a clean brush to just blend out the edges. And then I'm going to use this darker brown shade and I'm going to apply it right where I applied the transition shade, but just a little below it. So we are going to create a very beautiful gradient effect. And then cutting my crease. This step can be tricky. Please take your own time. And then I'm going to pick up this light shade from the palette. I'm going to apply it halfway through my lid. And then apply this burnt orange shade on the rest of the lid. And then I'm gonna apply some more brown to blend it all together. For glitter, I'm using COVERALL glitter. This is in the shade K013. Lashes, I'm using Divine by Glow Me Beauty. It's not too light, it's not too dramatic, it's right in between. It's very comfortable to wear. For my lower lash line, I'm gonna repeat the same colors and apply black gel liner. For blush, I'm using Sephora blush in number 10. This is a beautiful color that matches every eye look and every lip color. Then for highlight, I'm using Anastasia's Aurora palette. For lips, I'm using Girlactik Beauty Matte Lip Paint. Matte lipsticks are very long lasting, especially matte liquid lipsticks, so I would recommend you use a liquid matte lipstick. Also, do remember to carry your lipstick along with you for any touch-ups. And to pull the whole look together, I'm wearing this beautiful jewelry that you can purchase from our website. For more such amazing jewelry and Navratri outfits, please do check out our website. The links will be in the description box below. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We have a lot more exciting content coming up for you guys. Thank you for watching.